Hey guys, Dan here with Battlefield Curator. Are you curious about those Carcanos that they got at Royal Tiger Imports? Are you concerned with the quality or the condition of them? Have you heard some really bad things about RTI? Well, over the years, I've gotten a few rifles from RTI, and today I've got some Carcanos, and these are from RTI, but they're imported directly out of Italy and not Ethiopia. There's a big misconception out there that a lot of the stuff that RTI has is complete garbage. Well, I've found that these Carcanos, directly imported from Italy, are actually in pretty good condition. Their storage conditions were actually a lot better than Ethiopia because they were stored in Italy in probably climate-controlled warehouses of some sort, or maybe just not exposed so much to the elements like Ethiopia. And I found the bore condition to be good to excellent, which is great for a Carcano because you know how much that bore condition would affect the accuracy. All right, so let's test out these Carcanos and see how well we can put bullets on paper. For this video, I'm going to be using Steinel Ammo Brass Round Nose 6.5 Carcano. These bullets are specially designed to be 267 in diameter. I've measured these with my calipers and they turn out to be around 267. So these are the proper size bullets. Other companies out there that make bullets tend to make them undersized. So if you find something that's 267, then you should be good to go as far as getting the best accuracy out of that platform. All right, I'm not gonna use a bench. I'm gonna use like a hunter's type setup. Just pretty much a chair, a little bipod. First up here, we got a beautiful 1912 dated carbine made at the Brescia factory. Check it out. Wow, well, what a surprise. Didn't hit the target. I think I was shooting a little high, so I'm going to aim a little lower this time to see if I could get it in there. Check that out. Okay, so I got two pretty much right on top of each other, and then there's that one that just kind of, it's about a couple inches off there. Maybe 3 inches off, but not bad at all. And my sights, I'll show you my sights were kind of like this, set up this way. Not bad, but kind of tough to aim these Carcanos. Especially these carbines at closer ranges, but we are using good ammo. All right, the second one up here is a 1941 dated carbine made at F&A Brescia. So we're gonna try this one out and see how well it does. I've actually shot this one before, and if I remember right, it shoots a little bit to the right, so I'm gonna try to compensate for that and get some of these on paper here. Wow, that's not a bad shot group either. That's pretty good. That's a little bit better than the other one. I think I pulled the other one for sure because that other one I shot down here and the two bullets were like right on top of each other right there on that first group. This second Carcano is actually pretty good as well, and I've got a really decent shot group there. Just to let you know, this is how I was aiming this one. Pretty much all the way a little bit to the left. Okay, we are two Carcanos down and we are doing a very good. So far, I think these are nice Carcanos from the Royal Tiger Imports. And just a full disclosure, guys, I am not sponsored by IRTI, Royal Tiger Imports. I don't get compensated through Royal Tiger Imports in any way for making these videos. I'm just informing you guys. All right, and the last one here is a 1940 made Carcano, and it's made by F&A, but SCI as well. So we're going to try to shoot this one for the first time. I've never shot this one before, so I have no idea where it's going to shoot. Little pro tip here, you want to lower the elevation on the rear sight when you shoot these at closer ranges. So all you got to do is push down on this button and flip it all the way forward. And it still shoots high. So yeah, just have to compensate for that like I've been doing. See how this one did. Well, would you look at that? I think this one was going to shoot in the same exact spot. Now, honestly, what I did was I aimed a little lower than the target here with my front sight post because I wanted to see if I can actually hit the bullseye. And I actually came kind of close. And this one actually shoots pretty good. Not bad. It's on center. Now, because I was aiming lower here, I didn't really have anywhere to put that top sight. So it was kind of hard to keep it on a on something that you could focus that front sight on. When you have your front sight post kind of just like here somewhere and you're kind of just aiming at the woods or something, it's kind of hard to get any kind of accuracy because you're not actually focused on a point. So with this Carcano, I wanted to aim a little lower just to see if I can get anything on paper in case it shot a little higher than the other ones. But it looks like it was shooting in the same area. So I just lowered it a little bit and actually almost got on the bullseye. Last year, I made a video about taking one of these Carcanos, this one specifically, to the Talladega Marksmanship Park in Alabama. Now, this one actually shot really good at 100 yards, and it really wasn't surprising because of its bore condition. With Steinel ammo, brass round nose, got 3 in a row in the black, figured out where we're shooting at. All right, so overall, I think these Carcanos did really well. They shot really good. For a Carcano and a carbine at short ranges, you gotta use the right ammo and you gotta make sure that you're aiming these things right. If you have a Carcano, what kind of accuracy are you getting out of it? What kind of ammo are you using? How good is your bore condition? Those factors will all determine how well you shoot at the range. Also, you gotta aim them properly too. So, would I get another Carcano from Royal Tiger Imports, just like these from Italy? Yeah, I probably would. They're pretty cheap. They're in good condition, and I really like them. Now, the only problem here is trying to get ammo for these things, and they're also kind of pricey. So I've got a video in the description that might give you some tips on how to find ammo for these Carcanos. So go check that video out as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Pulverize the like button if you haven't. Subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.